How does one politely decline an offer to join the mafia? So, you've been offered a position in the mafia. Congratulations! It's not every day that someone is invited to join a notorious criminal organization. However, you may not be so keen on joining, and that's okay. Maybe you prefer a career in a different field, or perhaps you don't want to risk getting whacked. Whatever your reasons, it's important to know how to decline the offer in a polite and respectful manner. Here are some tips on how to do just that, with a touch of humor, of course. Be honest. When it comes to declining the offer, honesty is the best policy. It's okay to say that you're not interested in joining the mafia. You don't have to give a detailed explanation or make up an excuse. Simply say that it's not for you. If you're worried about offending the person who made the offer, you can always soften the blow by adding something like, "I really appreciate the offer, but I think I'll stick to my day job." Use humor. If you're worried that declining the offer may lead to some awkwardness, why not use humor to diffuse the situation? You can say something like, "I appreciate the offer, but I don't think my mom would approve," or, "I'm not really into the whole crime thing. I prefer to leave the breaking of legs to my yoga instructor." Offer an alternative. If you genuinely like the person who made the offer and want to maintain a positive relationship with them, you can offer an alternative. For example, you can say something like, "Thanks for the offer, but I'm more interested in pursuing a career in, insert career here. However, if you ever need help with accounting, I'm your guy." Compliment them. If you want to decline the offer in a way that shows respect for the person who made it, you can always compliment them. For example, you can say something like, "I really appreciate the offer, but I think you're doing just fine without me. You're the brains of the operation, after all." Change the subject. If all else fails and you just can't bring yourself to decline the offer, you can always change the subject. You can say something like, "Thanks for the offer, but have you tried the new pizza place down the street? I hear it's amazing." Conclusion. In conclusion, declining an offer to join the mafia can be a tricky situation, but it doesn't have to be. By being honest, using humor, offering an alternative, complimenting the person who made the offer, or changing the subject, you can decline the offer in a polite and respectful manner. Remember, there's no need to feel pressured to join a criminal organization if it's not something you're interested in.